So how do you set up realestate.com.au or domain.com.au alerts and get properties pushed to your inbox? And why would you do it? Well, I'll start with the why. I have spent hours trawling this website or this website trying to find the right property and the right home, and quite honestly, it can get just exhausting. So I love using the notifications or the alerts to push properties to me to save me having to literally just spend my weekends on these websites. So how do you set up the notifications and alerts to get properties delivered to you like a pro? Well, that's what we're going to show in this video. So I'll jump right in. We're going to start with realestate.com.au. I find this is much more popular in Brisbane and in Queensland, whereas domain.com.au is way more popular in Sydney and Melbourne. So let's start with this. Start by putting in your suburb. I'll put Paddington in Queensland just because it's here. You do all your filters. So obviously you don't want every property under the sun because there'll be properties that I can't afford. So you put that, you can put your bedrooms, but let's just keep it simple for the moment. So I'm looking for an apartment up to $500,000. Hit search, include surrounding suburbs. Yeah, that's fine. Sure. So then this will load all the properties that I like. It'll have new ones. It'll have, like, right at the bottom, ones that have been on the market for ages. The only other thing I'd filter to is you want to remove the ones that are under contract. Exclude under contract, those ones, because they're usually already gone and it's kind of a waste of time. Well, it depends actually, because sometimes you can find bargains. It's up to you. Maybe let's leave them in there. If you're looking at buying right now, then just exclude them because you'll just get the shits having to call people that are already under contract. Anyway, so all you need to do is just hit save search. You can either create an account or you can sign up. I've already got an account, so you can just hit sign in. It'll redirect you to this page that shows my search. It'll go enable notifications and then save. And then so anytime there's a property, it totally didn't work. Anyway, that would normally work. Anytime there's a property in Paddington that you're buying for up to $500,000, it would save. Oh, I think it didn't save because I've already got one in my account. Anyway, so what you can do is to see the other saved searches in your account, click your profile up here, go save searches and alerts. I think that's what I've done wrong because I did this before. Anyway, and that's my search already saved in there. The good thing is, well, once you find your property and you've already bought and you're sick of receiving these emails, which will eventually happen, then all you need to do is go back to realestate.com.au, go to your account, come back here, and you can either delete or just hit that button to turn off notifications. And when it's not blue, that's on, that's obviously off. Okay, so then doing it for domain is the same. So put in your property, your suburb, sorry, the type of property that you're looking for, and do your little filter Rooney, hit search, and you'll be shocked to know that it's almost exactly the same. So you just hit save search, it'll load up another window. It's being super slow. Anyway, it's almost the same process. I don't think it's going to work for whatever reason. My Chrome's been playing out. This is like the third time I've had to record this video. So anyway, love these websites. I think it's mostly my computer. This way you don't upgrade your computer. Anyway, that's how it's done. That's how you set up realestate.com.au or domain alerts. You put in your property criteria, you hit save search, and it's literally that simple. If you need any other help, hit us up at huntergalloway.com.au, and we can definitely help. There's heaps of great resources on our website, including first homeowner resources and stuff to look at buying your home. Just go to the bottom, hit first home buyers information, and you'll find a wealth of knowledge and awesome stuff in and around the buying process, videos, calculators. It's mind-blowing. You'll love it. That's it. So thanks, guys.